Get a deal, but I'm ballin', ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin', ballin'. I made a promise to my mom.
Bitch.
Shut up.
You better go with, if you don't get over 20 kills out of the clan, alright? Fred has been online. Like next time he comes online, we need to tell him about like the 2-week notice, because it's already up. But like
I've done mine.
Him, like,
I just streamed there.
Yeah, you basically did yours. Wait, you not streaming now?
Yeah, I'm streaming now.
Oh wait, my not type is moderate now for some weird reason. That's probably why you're able to join. Oh, Nuketown.
We are getting people.
Oh, Ben, should we put our Yoka? Should we put our Yoka Sky? Because they have their Yoka's things. We should have like a 2v2 or something. Put like capital S, that's about it. That's what I need.
I'll blame it on the night.
An error occurred.
See that?
Why is it doing this to me?
68 plus 1.
An error occurred. Why doesn't it let me do it? Hold on. Oh, I just left the party alone. I swear to God, it doesn't let you join now again. Watch, I'm gonna crack up. I keep forgetting you have to like leave, like click bring party. Why won't you let me put that as clan tag? Yeah, now it's not letting me put that in as my clan tag. This game is literally just fucked up.
Lobby not joinable. What?
Oh, fuck
the
this.
Fruit is going on. Baby on the night. See that? I'm a brilliant singer. I looked at your gamer tag, not gamer tag, gamer picture. I didn't leave. You left.
It lagged your. Oh no, you're still there. Now you're there.
Why would you leave me here?
Okay, there you go. Sky. It won't let me put like a clan tag for some weird reason. Yeah, it won't let me. Alright, let's go.
Sure, I can be the one that does it all. Cause you're not doing nothing for me. Sure, wait. Right. I'm only joking. It was all a joke.
Over the game, okay. It's gonna be
Nuketown
domination.
Hardpoint.
Why am I still using gravity spikes? Where is she? Okay.
Exactly, you went quiet when I started singing.
I literally should just rename this stream to like X Factor auditions with Ben. Ben, you're making on the Voice of Ireland.
Of course, like.
You're making on like.
Would you believe in me? Like, would you believe that I would do it?
I'd be in the crowd screaming, "Go on, you legend!" I'd be live streaming on my phone. I'd be pointing at you in the middle of the crowd. That's my friend. I know him.
Sure, like, why would you do that?
Kills, but I'm not gonna get like any headshots. That's the only problem.
Yeah, I'll get like kills, no bother, but sure, like the headshots will be hard, cause they will make me go all oozy.
See, like I don't know where to like. I think I'm just gonna like aim a bit above like where they are. Let's try and let's hope for headshots.
That's hard though.
Like, they literally, like they jump all over the place in this game, so. Oh wow, I thought I got hit.
I just got a kill before I got a death, I'm happy.
I got excited. Come on,
I got excited when my dog licked my hand. Don't have a dog, by the way.
That's weird right now. Yes! I got a headshot, another kill.
Yes, I got a headshot too.
I got another headshot.
Sure, like, you stop lying, Aaron. You lying equals me crying.
I got
sure,
another
that
headshot.
rhymes.
You lying equals me crying. Oh my god, that actually does. I got another headshot! I got all the headshots out, like over. I want Scotty, you have.
Hardpoint lost.
Don't blame it on the night. Diddle-a-diddle-a-diddle-a-doo.
Ben, I'm sorry, it's 4-0s. I'm not going through the next round. Then to see you hear Captain Price go mission failed, we'll go next time. My voice keeps breaking. I can't scream anymore. Lol.
Ah! This is gonna be. Ah!
Chlamydia.
Bitch can't do that. Ah!
Ben, I bet you 10 you don't know what the word chlamydia means.
I do actually. It means your
you
face.
Hater inbound.
Yeah.
How the hell did it? You have chlamydia?
What's coming?
Ben, that's basically like AIDS.
Oh, sure. Like, why would you say I've AIDS, Aaron?
I've literally got so many headshots this game. It's actually mental. I've got another headshot. I actually like this game is so easy. I've got jungle tech camo already. So happy with myself.
No, you don't. Shh. I only have one headshot.
Shrek, why are you
Blame
telling
it
me
on the fish. Yay!
Oh, I have a gravity spike. I'm gonna walk in with a gravity spike and let's go absolutely mental.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Oh wow, I'm trying to make them all go in there so I can do it.
I'm going really bad this game.
I'm trying to tomahawk someone. We've erased.
Oh wow.
Is there someone hacking our team? 'Cause, like, no one's doing that good to like get a raise. Alright, screw this, you know what?
How is that not a headshot?
I literally killed one person when there was like 4 of them in there.
Hardpoint is ours.
I'm gonna get killed so easy here.
Inbound.
Are you not?
Hardpoint
Okay.
contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint
Cross map, kind of, not really. I'm just literally trying to go for headshots here.
Oh my god. What?
Hardpoint locked down.
I don't know, it's like that there.
That was a headshot, but it gave me a 50 assist. This is why I love this
It
game.
wasn't a headshot. This is why I love this game. Ben, there's a guy like right there.
Let me reload. Wish I had like fast mags and everything on this.
Sure, you don't even have it unlocked for it.
Sure, no, I said I wish.
Ben,
Like-
look up, this guy up on top of the map.
Oh my god.
Hardpoint lost.
There's
Fancy man's
definitely
got, like,
someone.
the hater and everything. Oh my god, that's so cool. I wanna know how to do that. I'm just gonna like press all the buttons so like you can get out of the map menu. Oh no, yeah, you can die. He just died. Oh, it's picked up the new machine pistol thing.
Hardpoint lost. Friendly
Ah, wait, I want to see him do it. Look, he's right here. I want to see him do it.
spotted.
Wait, he kills himself with a hellstorm, what?
Locked down.
He has like unlimited hellstorms. He just killed himself with a Semitex while holding something, and now he's on top of the map.
Storm inbound.
How does that happen?
Oh, he
There
used
he
his
is again.
dart.
Look, now there's another guy outside the map on their team, and he's killed himself. Zombie gamer. Oh wait, they're on our team. What's happening?
Hardpoint locked
I don't know,
down.
but I think we're in a mod lobby.
No, they obviously know like glitch how to do it or something. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know how to do that.
Care package overhead.
There's a glitch how to do like how to get the Bo3 knife, but you have to have like 2 controllers. I don't have 2 controllers. It's really complicated.
Hardpoint lost.
Now I can't get any kills. I'm so focused on the people on top of the map.
Hardpoint
I wanna know how to do that. That's so cool. It's either a glitch or it's like they're modding or something. I think it's a bit of both, to be honest.
Hostile UAV incoming.
I just got a guardian.
My phone is just literally exploding in my pocket.
UAV inbound.
It's funny, it's not even in my pocket.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost.
Sure, why would you lie then?
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Sure, like. Why?
Hardpoint locked down.
Oh, I could have just got so many kills there. That zombie gamer guy, I think, is on like top of the map again, is he? Well, there's someone flying, so they're definitely like hacking or something. There you go, another headshot. I should save this game like aimbot, like God mode.
That was a
Nice.
headshot. Genie like.
Hardpoint
I'm getting headshotted, but I'm not getting like any headshots. Yeah, that was guy is so got like a hater and like stuff. What's he even going?
hostile.
He's on 29-16, then the other guy's on 29-15. How the hell? I stopped shooting like way too early.
Someone's watching. Hello.
The one time I actually decided to look up, see like the UAV, I'd see some random guy like floating on top of the air.
So you doing it again?
See, what he did was he called in a hellstorm. Then he he pulled out the hellstorm, but then like had a Semitex somehow stuck to his body and then killed himself. And then he pulled out a dart and he spawned on top of the map. I think he like somehow got on top of the dart and just flew on top of the map and then like blew up and then somehow on top of the map. I can't get any headshots anymore. Like I'm just only trying to go for headshots now. Then I have more headshots than you, right? A higher level League of Legends. I've played in my entire life, you know. Headshot, boom.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost.
Oh, come on. See, look, the real Sinister, it's going to the Semitex when he pulled out like a 9 strike thing. He pulled out like something to call in like an airstrike.
Radar is down.
But then he just kills himself by Semitex, apparently. I have Ash Cam already.
Hard. Hardpoint.
Oh, I swear the fuck. I really want to know how they got top of the map.
Hardpoint identified.
You should just watch a video.
Come here.
Hardpoint locked down.
Just add him to the party and say, do you want to join us, guy? And when he does, he goes, give me all your secrets to get on top of the map. He's like, okay.
Yeah, ask him if he wants to join the clan, and he says, yeah.
Friendly
Literally, like, he's only occurring with challenges, just teaching us how to get on top of the map, and he's in. Like, then he's just automatically in Sky. Oh, fuck off. Literally just about to call in my gravity spike, or just about to hit the floor of my gravity spikes, and I got knifed. Oh, it's got, oh wow, I got 3 kills and then a headshot.
Be advised. Multiple hostile UAVs overhead. Keep pushing. We got
Multiple hostile UAVs, funny with Fred in the lobby. All I used to just like literally say to him once, alright Fred, UAV, and then he used to pull out like a launcher and just take them all down.
this. Inbound.
That's why he tries to get his launchers gold.
Yeah.
It's the only thing he'd ever do. To get his launchers gold.
Hardpoint identified.
It's the only thing you really have to do, to be honest.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
It's a pain in the arse though, 'cause
Yeah, yo, that fella, the real Sinister, he always has a Ripper.
Hardpoint is
Like literally
out.
every like 10 seconds he gets a Ripper.
Hardpoint contested.
What level is he? He's only like 5th
UAV
prestige.
inbound. Hostile UAV above.
So that Zombie King guy was outside like the side of the map. This real Sinister is on top of the map.
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming. Multiple hostile UAVs spotted.
Of course, there's UAVs the minute I get into like their spawn.
Mission clock running down.
Oh, it's Shadow Claw.
Hardpoint is ours.
I got Flectarian cam already.
that's like 10 headshots. How?
No, it's like 15.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
I'm literally like, just aim a bit. When you're shooting, aim a bit, like keep going up a bit.
But they keep running away.
Hardpoint is ours.
We'll end to stop them from running away. So look at them right in the eye and just go, no, you won't run away from me.
Inbound.
Just go, you won't know.
And then they'll just be like, oh yeah, it's cancer.
Hardpoint
Sorry.
lost.
It's like, oh no, yeah, it's fine. Then you'd like, you know,
Hardpoint
have a
is
nice little
ours.
cup of tea. You randomly turn Australian for a week. And then that's how you feed your cat. Steroids. I remember we're gonna try and freeze the timer in like 0 seconds. We did me and like my friend did it. Right, you ready? I'm gonna walk in there like 0 seconds. No, I died!
Hardpoint lost.
Oh crap, no. I just got in there!
Met. Prep for evac.
Probably would have died, but you know, I went 38 and 43 just because I was going for headshots, so well. Should I message this guy in PSN? Just ask like, how'd you get on top of the map?
Yeah. Actually, look at me getting the final kills.
My yoke that's probably you know, won't let me. That's the guy you got on top of the map.
Even death can upgrade.
Where did the sword go?
Taste.
Up his arse. Oh, they're not English, they're like German, I think. The man's name was like Ich bin Sei something. So you coming out tomorrow, like to the lads?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. Do you remember that food dude's cup we got back in like 4 class?
Yeah.
I'm literally looking at it right now. It's been in the corner of my room for ages. I got 15 headshots that game, and I had only had like 24 kills. So that means half my kills were headshots. I already have Flectarian for it, and I'm 5 kills away after getting heat stroke.
I only have 2 headshots. See how good I am.
Lol, you suck at the game. I'm only kidding. You're like the best. You're the best Call of Duty player who ever Call of Dutied. Oh, I remember as well. I had gold armor and helmets for all my specialists. I got every single thing unlocked for every single one of them. What level am I? 41. They better be an RT, not like the real Sims or anything. I might like send them. Actually, no, I'll end up getting kicked. Or will I?
What?
Alright, sorry, the stream, it's gonna go off for a minute. Actually, no, I'm not gonna bother. Just,
What?
I'll do it after this game. I was gonna say, I'll go in and ask him, like, how'd you get on top of the map? Oh no, my chair's starting to squeak again. Alright, how long have I been streaming for? I've been streaming for 17 minutes, 48 seconds. Not too bad. Wait, Ben, is the stream now you have going to the clan or your channel?
I'm gonna see if I can work on like my channel, and then if it is, then I'm gonna like straight away put it up to.
You have the clan email and password, don't you? It's like I sent
Yeah.
it to you the other day.
Did you save it?
No.
Oh.
Did you?
Was it like Spurs something?
They don't say in stream. Oh, it's gonna hit cross map and tomahawk. But yeah, I'll send it to you anyway again. Oh, it's literally my first blow was cross my tomahawk. That was sick. Oh. Oh, come here. This gun does like barely any damage when like there's no attachments on it.
Should I put any attachments on? But after all them kills you got, you probably.
I only have quick throw and grip on them. Like I put them on, yeah.
Hardpoint is ours.
If that hits someone, I swear to God, I scream.
Hardpoint lost. Sniper.
I haven't got a headshot yet since the game started, and my first ever kill last time was a headshot. I can already tell we're gonna get hammered. It's that one dickhead camping in the hardpoint thinking no one's going for it. That's all I really care about in this game, to be honest. I just wanna win.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Are we on their team?
Hardpoint locked.
Yeah, we're on, or they left.
Counter UAV inbound. Hostile UAV above. Friendly UAV inbound.
Oh wow, that would've been a headshot as well.
Trafficker KIA.
Alright, I'm gonna try and move over and just camp in that other building, because that's where it's gonna be next.
Hardpoint contested.
Oh wow, that would've a headshot again, but of course then I get another assist.
Oh wow!
And I fucking die, but it's faggot. Alright, it's going to the other building, going to the other building, so that's what's gonna spawn.
I just got double kill.
Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint.
I literally remember like the hard point spawns off by heart by now. Fuck off, you got me from there.
Oh! Fucking wanker game.
Hostile UAV spotted. Tango down.
Oh well, come on, that's one headshot, so I don't care about rank going on up. Literally, no one plays the fucking objective in this game, I actually hate it. So I hate playing like hardpoint shit with these people. See, FaZe Rogue's mother got a YouTube channel.
Is she?
Yeah, for her birthday, FaZe Rogue. She had like, what, 500k already in one night.
How many videos have she made?
None. Like, FaZe Rogue gave her a shout out. She got like 500k subscribers in like a few hours. Yes, finally a headshot.
Power core online.
Oh, they have a power core. But remember that Yoka kept calling in?
Yeah.
Hostile hater in your
And now they have a hater, now they're gonna end up calling in a race. I can see it. I'm gonna try and take him down. Oh shit, let's spawn on the other side now. Oh wow. I bet, like, look in the back of their spawn or something. So they probably end up putting it in there somewhere. That shit is actually so annoying.
See, how do you think I felt when you did it?
Yeah, but it's different. I don't know how we know what this is, right? I can hear it, but I don't know where the hell it is. There it is.
Confirming kill.
Destroy it.
Took it out.
Identified. UAV inbound.
I have a care package. If I get a rate now,
Why?
Lost.
I put like 500 bullets into him.
That is physically impossible in this game. To let you know.
It is. Well, like,
UAV
it's an
inbound.
expression.
Oh, I got a guardian. I might just like. I'm gonna wait until like we're in the building and then this place is down or something.
Hardpoint lost.
Actually, no. What if it's like places down here?
Friendly
Ah.
UAV inbound.
So that's where they're spawning now.
Friendly Guardian deployed.
Was that a headshot, please? Yes, it was. How was that a headshot? Shot at his foot and it was a headshot. And yet when I go for headshots, and I shoot him in the head, it's bloody like a body shot.
Hardpoint
Or
lost.
toe shot. Oh, you're dying, man.
Hostiles have captured
Shit.
the hardpoint.
Alright, took out their sentry.
I just headbutt my door.
Why? It's punched them. That's what I do. Trying
The
to
only
break
thing
it up.
close to me is my computer.
I just punched like my hardcore, but like wicked hard, like wooden desk. So like it's kind of. I just tell myself not to punch it again because it really hurts. If I throw this straight up now and hit it, or it's just gonna disappear. I know. Oh, that went landed down there as well. So there's someone down there that would hit easily.
Oh my god.
Oh, if I was to do that, I would have literally wiped everyone out.
Like,
Fuck
these
that.
people know where we are straight away. Like, look, he just jumped up in the wall and he's aimed straight at me. Bloody, like, what the hell?
Hardpoint identified.
Or is she just spraying, hoping that I kill someone? But at least we're winning.
Oh my god. Oh,
Counter UAV inbound.
Oh, piss off that fucking tomahawk hit me out of all things, hit me.
Hardpoint lost. UAV inbound.
no.
Oh, piss off now.
Hardpoint is down.
50 assists and then I just don't like this game. I really don't.
Hardpoint contested.
I don't know how the fuck that wasn't a headshot, but you know.
Ha!
Sorry,
You
good game, swear it's
sucker.
gonna fucking ban me.
Smelly
Hostile lightning strike targeting.
chicken nugget.
If I hit it straight up like cross map, I swear to God, I'm actually gonna like start crying. I love this game forever, actually do.
Be advised. Hostile lightning strike inbound.
I can see it landing, like it's landing in like the middle of the map. So I actually have like a good chance of getting it. But of course, no, it's just... You can land like literally right beside someone, but no. This is what I hit.
Hardpoint locked down.
Does this still work here?
No!
Go on.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is out.
Didn't even see where the hell that landed.
Hardpoint
It does! There's like this spot back up too, and like if you throw it up, like where the
locked down.
where the hard point is now, if you like throw it straight up at that certain spot, it'll land right in there, and it actually does. I'm gonna keep trying it and see if I can get it. Imagine if I was getting it on stream. Alright, I'm gonna throw it right there.
I'm getting wrecked anyway.
Lightning strike coordinates received.
Oh no, that didn't even land anywhere close.
Hardpoint lost.
Oh, I'm just gonna keep trying this, yoke, see if I can hit it. Okay, no, never mind.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna throw it up where that. Where the hell does that land?
Hardpoint lost.
Is that where it landed? Oh, fuck off.
Watch, I'm gonna get killed straight away. I'm not even gonna get a kill. Oh yeah, I actually got a kill. And then I die. Yeah.
How the fuck did this turn? How the fuck did like X Factor auditions turn into this? Go on, land.
Oh my god.
I swear to God, now if he kills me, I'm just like, oh, how? I don't fucking understand. I gravity spiked like right beside him, and then he jumped and he didn't get fucking hit.
Lost. Friendly UAV inbound. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint identified.
Oh, of course, then it's in their fucking building. Here, I'm gonna ask the headshot's like the most hardest thing to do in this fucking game, honestly. Hope you fall down the stairs severely. That made no sense, but you know, it's do. For me.
Like, that guy, I had that guy. And then someone comes around, no, I'm gonna kill him.
Did only? Oh no, it's split up closer. Oh my god. I like threw a tomahawk into the air, like, I watched the hell missiles like blow up. And I honestly thought like I hit it mid-air and this made it explode, but then I realized it clustered. They're actually gonna pass us out, because I'm doing shit.
50. All I'm getting is assists.
I walked straight into him, what the fuck? Do you know what? Oh, now the fucking server is great, we're definitely gonna get lose now. Right, stay in this building, because that's where it's gonna go now. We literally, like, we need to pass them out. Badly. Everyone should just stay in this building, let's make sure that no one gets in.
Oh no, that was very hard. Oh my.
Alright, well, we passed them out now.
I'll keep them out from the outside.
Fuck
There's
off!
someone coming downstairs.
Fucking Ivy, can't I really have to stop this, like, literally. I'm gonna say so much offensive shit. I'm pulling out the fucking, like, launcher, yo, down that server, so that's literally gonna bend us over.
Finally! Got another headshot.
Have you only got like 3 headshots?
Oh my god, no, I just got jungle text. I've been trying so.
Yeah, I've got heat stroke. Just like, what, 50 headshots. Of course, then I get a headshot like straight away with a gun I didn't even want a headshot with. Alright, I'm like 2 shots off getting this service destroyed.
Oh wow.
Hardpoint contested.
Sure, like, why?
Service destroyed?
I don't know.
Oh crap, that's not here.
But we keep on dying because we all suck this game. Wow. Now they tried to spawn kill us. But I stopped them.
Oh, and we lost, okay.
Oh!
Oh, Sarah, I thought there was
Me
That's why I
getting
hate like
annoyed,
headquarters and shit. Like if we domination or this team that much or kill confirmed to be grand, but no. He's the because they see me rolling and this is Malaga after it. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna stream for like an hour and then turn it off. I stream for half an hour now.
Yeah, same. 1 second, Aaron. Will you like back out of the game? Like bring me with it too once you're doing it. I'll be like
I'll think about
2
it.
minutes. Okay, be right back.
Yeah. Just so you know, I didn't take a picture of myself there. Snapchat. Just took a picture like my wall, just so I can send it to someone. True picture. Oh well, of course I'm gonna get nuked on uplink. Oh yeah, in case you didn't know, Sky now recruiting, as you can see in my oak, you know, swag, you love this is what happens when Ben goes, I literally start saying like the weirdest shit possible. Did I unlock something new now for this? Ecog, no shit. No, of course I didn't. What are we on? Heat strokes, no job is another 9. We have to wait until we get up to 100 headshots. 21. Still have like quad 79 to go.
Sure, like I'm not back anyway, so you can start anyway. Like I'm not back.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, I won't be back for like a half.
Ben's so bad. He's not even back. Oh my god, I dropped my controller again. Ben, you heard nothing. Ben, do you want a picture I put up for you in your story? On my story.
What?
Do you want a picture I put up of you in my story?
I already saw it.
Oh yeah, Kirsty just sent me like a reply to the picture and just put like Claire's Snapchat under. Ben, vote for random. We could have like the entire lobby voting for random.
Alright.
Oh, for fuck's sake, nuke down our point. You know, we're gonna play it, but we better be put with that level 1000.
It says I'm searching for a game.
Oh yeah, you like that? Okay, here. Are you in my game now?
Yeah, 1 second, let me quiet my class.
No.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no bother.
I'm just gonna put on Semitex, you know, and hit them shots, you know.
No, I don't. I really don't understand what the fuck you just said.
Same.
Yep. Ben, how many items have fallen into your bra?
I
just
have no look.
Snapchat story. It's really weird.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, that doesn't count.
50 subs.
2 of them don't count as items, do they? Because they're always been there.
Oh, I don't. Go away. Stop. Where's this guy? Ich mag Delvine. I love. I see it's gonna wanna go back to school now Monday. I just could not be arsed at all.
Skull up to runner. Ah, my legs! Ah!
Alright, I'm starting.
Ooh, come.
Wait, what do you mean on your create a class? Are we using the ICR?
No, like, put attachments on it.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, too bad. We're starting now. Whether you like it or it's not.
I'm ready anyway.
So, like, why are you rushing me? Take last night, can I be targeted by enemy aircraft? Oh, I might use that. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna go like tactical in this.
And why are you the same? Why are you a little below me?
I'm not.
Oh, no. It shows you were 34 a minute ago.
Oh. Oh my god, hardpoint again. Swear to god, if
We got
like
this game, this guy was on top of the Nuketown building. And one teammates were outside the map. Before you say you can already get out there, but he wasn't dying.
He died like, no, like he stood there, looked around, seen that I was looking at him, and then he just randomly died. Like, it said that he was killed by Semitex as well. But like, he didn't through it, because I was watching him for ages. Look, the amount of people using gravity spikes in our team.
Hard point.
Oh yeah, and we're just the odd ones out. Wait, no, you're using gravity spikes. You're the odd one
Yeah.
out then.
I was, how? I'm like in with him using gravity spikes.
No, but you're the only one in the party that's using gravity spikes.
Ben, I'm the highest level in the entire game out of all the people.
No, look at the other team.
Are you seeing this? Doesn't matter, shut up.
Point identified.
Oh, I swear to God, I can already see this game pissing me off and that's even started properly yet.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours.
Oh, sure, like, I see a guy coming at me. Like,
This guy up in that building and I swear to God, he's just like he's gonna... Oh, I'm coming up behind him over here.
sure, like, why?
Oh, he stood up right before I was about to hit him in the head. Wow.
Why not just shoot him?
Just
Headshot.
my luck. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, but then he stood up and I got him in the fucking body. Same with that guy, kind of. Not really.
Hardpoint lost.
Have you ever been battered like a fish?
Yeah.
Same.
It was actually by your father, remember? He kidnapped me and grabbed the fish and just slapped me around the place. I'm just joking. They're gonna think your father's like a beautiful.
Hardpoint locked down.
Remember that time, like, we kept saying just, like, your stream about when, like, your father beats you and all. That was so bad.
When?
Like,
Yeah.
a while ago when Fred was in.
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Oh, Ben got told off his mother for screaming. He's just trying to go to beddy, boys.
Shut up. Anyway, what were you on about? Tell us.
I don't know, like,
That's almost gone.
me and Fred were always saying, like, oh, like, you were getting, like, death by your father or something. Like, your father was
Fred's
trying to
father.
beat you.
That was Fred's father. That was.
Oh, yeah. We were making it out then to seem like he beats him or something like that.
Yeah.
That was so, like, lousy.
UAV incoming.
His father doesn't feed him or beat, and he beats him.
Oh, yeah, his father doesn't feed him and he, like, beats him the whole time.
Advised. Hostile counter UAV
Even though his
is
father
online.
can't even like run or lift his hand. No offense to Fred's father though.
Fred's gonna be watching the stream. It's like, you fucking motherfucker, fucking.
Sure, you're mocking him too.
Hostiles have captured the
No!
hardpoint.
Yeah, we're
I
all
was talking
mocking him.
about the time. No, I was just talking about the time we said it. I didn't say it now. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Dang, I'm gonna watch this. Never mind.
Yeah. Alright, Fred, Aaron, not Fred, Aaron, I can't talk for like just a half an hour. I'll still be in the party.
Yeah.
Hardpoint locked down.
Yep.
Hostile UAV above.
Psych.
Hardpoint lost.
How long do you reckon you last stay on for?
Probably a long time. 50 assist one.
See, when you say a long time, what do you mean by long
Be
time?
advised. Hostile
See, when I say a long time, I mean like half the night.
Around like 1 o'clock.
Oh yeah, it's kind you're literally just getting absolutely bent over.
UAV is ours.
Why couldn't I get him?
Hardpoint identified.
My dad's
Hostiles
banana.
have captured the hardpoint.
Why would you say that?
That's a bit weird. It's like my dad's banana. Like why?
Hostile counter UAV above. Radar is down. Hostile UAV above.
You devil.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost.
Oh, we are literally just getting absolutely like
Hardpoint
just
is ours.
touched. Why does everything I say have to be like sex or something like rape? I literally like I've hung around my cousin way too much.
Hardpoint lost.
We're hanging around with
Hostile
who?
round deploy ship overhead.
Oh, they've wraps. Alright, wait, I'm bringing out my yoke. I'm gonna kill myself now just so I can take them out easier.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Alright, should be taken down now. Yeah, there's like a couple of them dropped, but like not that much. And of course I clicked on my KN. Oh yeah, I already have my KN gold. I didn't realize that now.
Hardpoint lost.
Shit, no you don't, shut up.
Oh sure, I'm not even targeted by them. Why am I even worried? Oh fuck off! This cunt. I remember Whisper. It's good.
No, I will not.
Down.
Okay.
You can like Whisper and just like turn up your mic volume now.
Hardpoint. Hardpoint lost.
You turn it up to the max.
Hostile HCXD spotted. Be advised. Hostile counter UAV is online.
We are literally just getting royally, like, I'm gonna say this like the 5th time today, we're literally just getting touched. I'm not even joking anymore, like it's just a full on, like, pedophile, this feel. My friend's father.
Hardpoint one down. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
We are, like, I swear, I can't emphasize how much we are just getting, like, felt by, like, a random man who's, like, 70s. Mr. Collins.
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint
Sure, we like that.
hostile counter UAV above.
That's very weird.
Hardpoint
Thanks.
contested. Hostile UAV above.
Yeah. We need to stay in this hard point. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, never mind. Fuck off!
Hardpoint lost.
Set the dog.
Fucking
Hostile radar
cons.
detected.
Set the nose.
I fucking hate hard points now.
Set the cat.
Hostile UAV
Fuck
spotted.
the cat.
That's what the cat said
Point
though.
identified.
What else you think he
Be
did?
advised, hostile
So the
hardpoint
cat said fuck the
spotted.
cat.
Hardpoint is ours.
How the hell hasn't them people died?
Hardpoint contested.
I swear to God, if I wasn't in the game with you, I would leave so fast. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gone.
Hardpoint contested.
I'm gonna bite you again. I literally just can't. I was just getting touched. I really need to stop saying that.
Oh,
Like,
screw this.
Thing is, what I'm gonna need a bomb. It's literally gonna be like the most awkward crunch ever. Cause I have like my lisp is gonna kick in when I try and eat it. What was that?
Be enjoying my chocolate. It's joining.
Swap out my oak. I'm gonna use that war machine because I feel like in like domination or something, there's people capping B. I'll literally just spray in there. And plus, I have alright taunts and stuff. How long have I been streaming? 44 minutes. Alright, not too bad. The hell is this? Oh no. Are you able to join now?
I'm pretty sure it's froze. What? No. What was that?
I'm just gonna put on every single camo and the paint shot. Oh, that looks shit.
Yeah, I need to.